Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to a chef's new best friend. That's the MobiChef. It's the first of its kind mobile cooking platform that can handle 39 different combinations of appliances. So we're talking about a full menu. It's full ETL 710B listed, and we've been cooking on it for a couple of days now, and the feedback we're getting is tremendous. You have 4 different types of appliances you can use, from a charbroiler to a griddle, to an induction range, to a fryer. And in any combination of that, you can get a refrigerated base with it. So the possibilities of this type of device are endless. It can be moved as long as you have power, 60 amps or 100 amps, but it provides a great deal of flexibility. The venues available for MobiChef, from convention centers to arenas to poolside cooking. So where you couldn't contemplate a kitchen before, there's a possibility of doing it. So rethink where a kitchen can go, think MobiChef.